Part 5. The test drive cycles. Each test drive cycle follows the same sequence. When the Go button is pressed, accelerate the vehicle with wide-open throttle. The app will guide you through an audible countdown. At the end of the countdown, you will be prompted to release the throttle, shift to neutral, and brake. Once stopped, with the brake held, you will be prompted to shift back to drive to prepare for the next cycle. Follow each prompt as it comes. The app will tell you exactly what to do and when. This cycle repeats 5 times throughout the test. Each cycle is gathering live battery performance data under real load conditions. This is exactly what makes BATTSCAN's dynamic testing method more effective than just a static check. Stay focused and keep listening to the voice prompts throughout, not the screen. The audio is your guide. In the interest of keeping this video to a manageable length, you are seeing 2 of the 5 test drive cycles here. The remaining 3 cycles follow the exact same sequence. Just continue to follow the voice prompts until the app announces the test is complete.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release throttle and shift, then brake. Keeping brake pressed, shift to drive now. The vehicle must be in drive to continue testing. Accelerate the vehicle with a wide open throttle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release throttle and shift, then brake.